Hey guys, so we're here at Granby Ranch in Colorado, and the goal by the end of the day for me, because this is my first time snowboarding, is to be able to successfully ride a complete route of a blue trail. So that's the challenge for today. So far I've been working on carving and turning here on the bunny slopes, and we'll transition over hopefully by the end of the day to some blue trails. Hopefully I can get my skill toned in. I think sandboarding has helped me learn a little bit of the skills I need, but it's a whole lot different when you're locked in to a board. So it's so beautiful up here, and it's snowing right now, pretty light, but it's just been an awesome day so far. So tag along and we'll see if we can complete that challenge. It'll take some getting used to. So after only a few runs on some green trails, I decided it was time to hit up some blues. I had a lot of confidence going into some of these blue trails, but what I was lacking was skill. Alright guys, so I'm starting to get a hang of it, and we are about to send our first jump. See what happens? Hopefully it's not too bad. Oh yeah! Even though my time spent on the slopes was very short, the beauty of creation of standing on top of the mountain and then riding all the way down was something I will never forget, and I definitely want to come back in the future. Well, that did not feel very good. Thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe to see more videos like this. 2021 is going to be an awesome year. I'm really hoping to capture a lot of beautiful places this year and to share them with you guys, so stay tuned.